High-performance RJ45 Ethernet patch cable provides universal connectivity for LAN network components such as PCs, computer servers, printers, routers, switch boxes, network media players, NAS, VoIP phones, PO devices, and more. Future-proof your network for 10 Gigabit Ethernet, backwards compatible with any existing fast Ethernet and Gigabit Ethernet, meets or exceeds performance and compliance with the TIA/AF568C.2 standard. The connectors with gold-plated contacts, molded strain relief boots, and Snagless molds resist corrosion, provide durability, and ensure a secure connection. Bare copper conductors enhance cable performance and comply with UL 444 specifications for communications cables. Flexible and durable cable with high bandwidth of up to 350 MHz, Cat5e, guarantees high-speed data transfer for server applications, cloud computing, video surveillance, and online high-definition video streaming. Minimal noise and interference, due to its 4 pair of unshielded twisted copper strands and tough, yet flexible PVC jacket. A heavy-duty, snagless molding makes installation and cable handling effortless. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome games, Netflix and PSN on PlayStation 3. I purchased this as a try me situation. I have never used anything like this before on any system. I figured for $6 why not? It's work great. I'm playing Need for Speed Hot Pursuit on it right now. I watch Netflix on it all the time. Try something like this first before sinking a big amount into it first. I was going to buy a $70+ wireless router if this didn't work. I'm very happy with it and hope it will last for a long time. I hope this was helpful.